Oh my god, look. There's this box. What is up, YouTube? I'm right here at my local Apple store, and today we're gonna go dumpster diving because I heard you could get iPhone, iPad, MacBooks there that they throw away. So let's go check it out. It looks like these dumpsters are all locked, so let's go check around because sometimes behind the dumpsters they leave boxes there. Make sure there's no security. Oh my god, look! There's this box full of Apple products and there's even an iPad and we have MacBook. I just saw lost security not too long ago, so let's go put this in the car and leave.
The next day.
So it is officially the next day, so let's dive into this box and see what goodies we get. I'm so excited. This is absolutely an insane jackpot find. I still can't believe I found all these behind the dumpster of an Apple store. It's really hard to believe, so let's dive in. I really don't know where to start, so yeah, let's just start here. We have this iPad box. Feels a bit light. I don't think there's anything in here. And yep, just documentation, nothing special. We have this iPad Magic Keyboard. Has some weight to it. Let's see if there's something in here. Yep, just nothing. Just this paper and instruction. Nothing special. Oh wow. So we have an iPad in here. It looks like one of the older ones, but if it works, like that's kind of a lot of money. Uses the old charger. I don't have that one. It's an iPad 64 gigabyte. Yeah, that's cool. Let's try turning it on. Yeah, this iPad doesn't turn on, but let me see if I can find the charger later and we'll see if it works. Oh wow, we have this iPad smart cover and it looks like it's still in the packaging. Let's see, it's already opened. I don't think they make this one anymore, so it's probably for an older iPad. Yeah, the cover's still in here. It's a little used, but I could still sell it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. iPhone 15 silicone case. That would be cool if there was something in here, because people want these cases. And yep, empty. I was hoping to find something, but it looks like all of these are empty boxes. Oh, an Apple Watch box, Series 7. This one has some weight to it, so there might be something in here. I don't know. Take a look. Oh, what's it? Oh, just a paper insert. I thought the watch was in here. Yep, no charger, paper, documentation, all that other stuff. Watch band. Maybe if there's a watch band in here. I doubt it. Still cool I found the iPad though. I can't believe it. Alright, Apple Watch, Nike edition. Haven't seen this before, especially in this cool black box. This one's an Apple Watch SE. I'm just going a little quick because there's so much stuff to dig through. This one has some weight to it. Wait, no wait. There's actually an Apple Watch in here. Wait, is this fake? Does it turn on? What? Oh, wait. I'm gonna have to put this on the charger then, because I don't know. Is there anything in here? Yeah, I need to see if this works or not, because if it works, that's crazy. Watch band, is there anything in here? Nah. Well, still, there's no watch band, but that's pretty cool. We still got the watch inside. iPhone 16 Pro silicone case. Wait, that's cool. Wait, the case is actually in there. No way. Oh, it's damaged. Look at that. Yeah, the button on the side's broken. Yep, that's a shame. Better than nothing. All right. Oh, charger. I haven't seen these in a while. These are like the old chargers, so I'm pretty sure this works, but I'll test it later. Apple Watch. Wait, holy iPhone. Oh, this is pretty old. It looks like an iPhone 4, but does it turn on? No. Well, it uses that same charger as the iPad, though. I don't know if I have it, so I'll have to test this later, but pretty cool. But not sure if this is worth anything. What is this? Another iPhone, wow. Oh, this one's all broken. That's crazy. iPhone S. This is a 6S. I think it's a 6S. Doesn't turn on as well. But I have a charger for that one because I don't use the old one. So we'll have to see off camera. What's this? World Travel Adapter Kit. I've never seen this before. Does it have... Yeah. It's orange. Oh, no way. All the pieces are in here. That's pretty cool. I might keep this for myself then because it's pretty cool. It has all the countries for the plugs. Yeah, that's neat. We have a whole charger there. Let's just get that out of the way. We have this Type-C cable. Oh, it's all broken. Oh. Oh, what's this? Another one of those USB chargers. Oh, you have this old iPad charger. I think with that World Travel Adapter Kit I got, I think you just take this piece off and it slides there. So that's pretty cool. What's this? Plastic? Are these for headphones? Yeah, nothing in there, but oh well. Most of this is just empty boxes. You would think there's something in here. charger. It's pretty light. Well, we'll just double check. Yep, nothing in there, empty, just paper. Apple Pencil case. I've never seen this before. Is there something in here? That would be cool. Maybe I could use it with my Apple Pencil. Oh wow, it's actually in here. What's this white? Is that an Apple Pen? Oh no, it's just a paper insert. That's so cool. Looks like it's some leather piece. I'm gonna keep this for myself because this is pretty cool. I've always wanted a case for my Apple Pencil, and I'm pretty sure this is discontinued, so oh well. What's it? Oh, this one's pretty small. Is this an iPhone 13 mini? Yep. Oh wow, what is this? An iPod. I haven't seen that before. Does it turn on? No. I think all the batteries in these devices are dead, so I'll have to charge it later. Oh, pretty cool. Let's see. Oh wow, we have a lot of AirPods. Let's check. Oh, and a cable. This is an Apple Watch charger. I think this is an Apple Watch charger. Well, I want to see what's up with these AirPods, so let's go one by one. Wait, these are the newest model. That's surprising. Empty, empty. Yep, empty, empty. MagSafe charger. Oh, it's those circular ones. Is there anything in here? Empty again. Come on, I need stuff in here. Oh, more AirPods. This one, what are these? AirPods Generation 3. Okay, so they're the previous model. Well, this one actually has stuff. Oh my, no way. There's AirPods in here. Oh, that's empty. Who cares? But no. Oh, and it actually works. I'm gonna test this right now. No way, guys. This AirPods, I just put it, I connected it to my phone off camera, and they actually work. That's pretty cool. I'm keeping these definitely. No way. And I get the box for it too. That's cool. Alright, so I have this AirTag right here. I don't know what to do with it. Maybe I could connect it to my phone. Who knows? Earphone. Oh, these are the wired Apple. Oh, there's something in here. These must be the wired Apple headphones. They don't give these with the phones anymore. I wish they did because these were so nice to have. Oh wow, they're actually in here. Usually these are broken because they break easily, so I have to test this later on my phone. This one actually has weight to it. I think there's something in here. Wait, no wait, the charger's actually, I've been needing one of these because they don't include this with the new iPhone anymore. So yeah, I'm also keeping this one. This is pretty cool, free charger. And I think it's a fast charger too. What else? What is this? Looks like it plugs into those old charger ports. Okay, I don't know what to do with this. I don't know what this is. There's this other small piece, the Nike and Apple. I don't know what this does. If anyone knows what this is, comment down below. So I found this iPhone box, pretty light, iPhone 15 it looks like. Yep, empty as usual. Wait, this one actually has weight to it. There might be no way. Is this an iPhone? What iPhone is this? A 16 or 15, 14? I don't know. No, wait, does this actually work? Let's turn it on. Wait, holy crap, it actually works. That's insane. This iPhone 16 Pro. Interesting. I'm gonna wait for this to turn on because what the hell? Got a 15 iPhone? Oh my god, it's unlocked. There's not even a passcode. Does this thing work? The hell? How does it? This is crazy. An iPhone? What iPhone is this? Let me check some. Oh, so it's an iPhone 15 Pro. That's insane. Holy. I can't believe I got this for free. This is crazy. Man, what? Well, it came in a wrong box, but who cares? I can't. That's insane. iPhone 15 Pro, guys. I'm saving this. Looks like I'm getting a new phone today. Or someone is getting a new phone today. Alright, what's this? A Samsung? When did they sell these at Apple? I mean, this box has weight to it. Is there something in here? I don't like Samsung, but who cares? Galaxy S9, so that's the older one. I think we're on S26 now. Yep, empty, just paper. I don't care. Still confused why they have a Samsung box at the Apple store. Maybe someone upgraded. Good for them. And last but not least, we have this MacBook Air box. Hopefully there's a laptop in here. That would be pretty sick. Well, there's actually weight in here. Hold on, let's get rid of this box. I haven't opened this box yet, but it's really heavy. There's definitely a laptop in here. That's cool. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh, there's a MacBook in here. That's freaking cool. Is there a charger? No. Okay. Well, there's actually a MacBook in here. That's crazy. This is insane. An iPhone, Apple Watch, MacBook, AirPods. That's crazy. Oh, and an iPad and iPod. I think that's what the hell. Does this thing even work? What charger does this even use? I don't even have that charger, so I'm gonna go charge all up the devices and see what we have. Alright, so I have all the devices here, and with this MacBook, it randomly turned on, and it works perfectly fine. Like, there was no passcode or anything. It's at 24%, so I got it connected to Wi-Fi and everything, and it works. I was able to load YouTube, and that's pretty cool. I don't know what to do with this yet, but set that off to the side. So here's the Apple Watch I found, and it actually works, surprisingly. I need to go to these Apple stores more often. I'm gonna go to another one next week. Yeah, this is insane. That's pretty cool. It works. I need to buy a band for it, but I already have an Apple Watch, which is newer, so I don't know what to do with this. I'll probably just sell it. I don't need it. And then with these headphones, I don't have an adapter, so I couldn't test if they work, but I assume they're broken. Let's see. This iPod, I found this. I was able to charge it up, and there's a passcode on it, so I don't know what to do with that. And same thing for this old iPad. I was able to find a charger for that in the box upstairs, and it has a passcode also, so I don't know what to do with these two. But yeah, that's pretty cool. And for this iPhone 15 Pro I found, that's pretty cool. I still cannot believe I found this. I got it connected to the Wi-Fi and everything. I logged into my Apple account, and this thing works. Like, literally, the camera works, the speaker works, I can text on it, you name it. This is just so insane. I'm so excited for this. I cannot believe I found this in the dumpster, because like, I'm definitely going again next week, and hopefully the security isn't there, but who cares, because this is worth it. Like, you literally get a free iPhone out of that. That's cool. Anyways, this is it for today's video. Check out some of my other videos right there, and please subscribe, because this is just absolutely insane. Like, with this iPhone, this Apple Watch, this MacBook, I can't believe it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go enjoy my new stuff, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.